That's really yummy.
Yeah, it looks.
Oh, okay, another pizza. She loves her pizza.
And another one. So she had two pizzas and all the rice noodles. I would really dial in on the rice and potatoes versus all the pizza, all the bread stuff.
That's true. But kudos to her for no dairy, no meat.
Yeah. Hey everyone, today I'm here again with Anne.
Hi.
And today we have a very special reaction video for you guys. We are reacting to a German girl named Johanna, also known as Vegan.weilsguttut. Vegan because it feels good is the translation of her handle. She's really big on TikTok. She has 500,000 followers.
No way.
Even though she's German and she only speaks German, right? She's not globally. So yeah, she's doing the high carb thing. She's doing lots of bananas and she is getting a lot of hate. And when I first found her, I was like, why is she getting so much hate? But as I started watching her videos, I now understand a little bit why some people are a little bit concerned about the way she eats, and Anne doesn't know her yet, so I'm very curious and excited to see what she has to say. So let's get right into it. And we'll mute the audio again today so we don't have any copyright issues, and obviously because it's also German, and most of you maybe don't understand. So let's get into it. Alright, so she's starting her day with some carrot juice.
Okay.
I mean, that's pretty nice. That looks like she's doing the whole Freely thing. Freely eats a lot of carrot juice too. So it does seem like she's gotten a lot of inspiration from Freely. Yeah, now she
lots
makes
of bananas.
Banana bread. She makes a carrot cake with the
banana.
Yeah, like with the pulp of the juice.
Oh wow!
So that's actually pretty smart.
Okay.
And now she's having a smoothie with frozen berries.
The color is nice.
Yeah, it looks delicious.
All right. Okay.
She's having some bread. So this is everything she eats, like in a day. She's having some pizza. That looks good too. I wouldn't personally do the wheat. Do you eat gluten?
Not really, not a lot. It seems like I'm kind of confused with the order of like what she's eating. It seems like she drinks the juice and then she makes the bread, and then she makes a smoothie. Right?
Yeah,
and then she eats the bread. Is that correct?
I think she ate some bread after the smoothie.
Oh, okay.
So it does look like she's doing the raw to 4 thing.
Yeah.
That actually looked like a pretty decent and good day. I just don't do the gluten.
It's better than a lot of people.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's better than lots of people.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of like gluten there, flour. Yeah.
For me, it has been a huge game changer to cut out the gluten. I feel so much better.
Yeah. Why are people hating?
Well, because she's quite popular, you know, and she's eating a lot of bananas. A lot of people are afraid that she's eating too many bananas and that it's unhealthy, that she isn't eating any protein.
But the thing is interesting because I wonder how long she's been eating this for, because no offense, but she looks a bit chubby.
Yeah.
I wouldn't desire that body, so I wonder, you know, how long she's doing this for. Did she just start? I mean, she has lots of followers. That probably means that she has been doing this for quite a while. So I wonder what she's doing that's not that, I wouldn't say correct, but just not giving the optimal figure, you know, that this diet should give you. So I wonder.
Yeah, for sure. I think that's also a reason why she gets quite a bit of hate, because in a way, you know, many people want to move away from where she's at with her body. You know, many people want to lose weight, but then she's eating all these carbs, and maybe some people now associate eating carbs.
Yeah.
And I've been there too, because when I first started my YouTube channel, my body was overweight too, and I was also promoting lots of fruit, I was really afraid in the beginning to say, hey guys, fruit is healthy, look at me, you know?
Yeah.
So, but I mean, she has been doing it for quite a while, but let's see what else she's doing.
Okay,
Okay, so she's starting the day with some pears. That's good.
Nice.
Fresh fruit. And she's making some nice cream.
Berries. Okay.
Water. Yeah, that looks tasty.
Yeah, that looks really nice.
I mean, she does know what she's doing. That's for sure. And now she's...
Zucchinis. Which I love.
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms. Nice.
Oh yeah, you were even doing something like that the other day.
Yeah. Rice? Oh, no. Oh.
Rice noodles.
I love rice noodles.
But do you eat this much when you eat like rice noodles?
That's a lot. But sriracha. Oh, that's really yummy.
Yeah, it looks
Oh, okay, another pizza. She loves her pizza.
And another one. So she had 2
wow.
pizzas
Yeah.
and all the rice noodles. And I think that's where the hate starts coming in.
I see, yeah.
Because I think for a little while you can do this because, you know, when you just come from an eating disorder where you've been under eating a lot, that's what I did. That's why I ended up, you know, being a bit big.
Yeah.
So, like, I was eating a lot because I wanted to heal my relationship with food again.
Yeah.
So my body could trust me again. But then at one point you need to start getting back to reality,
I do
right?
think sometimes, because I also came from an ED background, I feel like sometimes you need a surplus to heal. But after that, I feel like you it's important to be intuitive. There's no need to stuff everything in.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder if this just what she can eat. Like, I wonder if she wants to lose weight. That's my question. I feel like maybe she's happy with where she's
that's
at.
what she says, but I can't really imagine that. Like, we all want to lose weight. I don't believe anyone who carries excess weight that they don't want to lose weight. It's a survival mechanism, right?
I just because I mean what she's doing I think is great. It's you know, but I wonder if weight loss is her goal. I wonder if she's truly happy with where she's at.
Yeah.
But I can see where the controversial comments are coming from. I mean,
She is starting to eat a little bit less. She had some videos where she would eat a lot more. Let's go back to some of her older videos. So there she's starting her day with some
orange
pasteurized
juice.
How do you feel about pasteurized juice?
What's pasteurized juice?
Like when it has been cooked in a bottle, so it is being preserved.
I mean, the fresher the better, right? But I think like if you're on a hike, if you don't have any fresh fruit, that's better than, you know, lots of other things. Okay.
That's what I like about her. She always like films her doing everything as well. So
What
I
are
don't know what
those?
she's doing here. Probably some coconut milk
Yeah.
or something.
Okay. I see. Yeah, I feel like, because I don't know her background, I don't know if she had an ED or she has one. I just feel like I mean, she's not eating animals, she's not eating tortured flesh, which just, you know, is great. I feel like if she doesn't want to lose weight, if she's happy with this image, I respect that. You know, I respect that. But I feel like in order to make more people want to try this, you know, lifestyle, we definitely want to see just like, you know, a more desirable body, like Freely's, like Natasha's. I feel like that's how we can get people really to try it.
Yeah. I agree.
Yeah.
Let's see. Watch another one. Yeah, so she's doing the pasteurized juice again. I personally don't like having something cooked right in the morning, even if it's something like fruit juice.
Yeah.
As you say, like when I was flying here to LA, I was drinking lots of pasteurized juice because you have unlimited juice on airplanes usually. So that's usually what I do when I fly.
Yeah.
Or when I'm on a hike or something.
Yeah.
But it's not something I have as a staple.
Yeah.
Because it just doesn't feel as good. And yeah, she also seems to be eating quite a lot of flour, which
That's true.
it's great. I love that you say that she isn't eating any animals, and
Yeah.
I'm really happy about that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I do feel like maybe she's turning away some people from veganism because they see her and they think vegans eat like that and look like that, you know, which is not necessary.
That's a lot of
Pizzas,
flour.
3 pizzas. So 3 pizzas. I mean,
so you don't know her personally?
no, I don't know her. Like Marvin, one of my friends, discovered her, and he also made a video about her.
Okay.
And yeah, I mean, all in all, it's great. It's just a lot of like flour products, a lot of
That's
salt.
true. Which flour is quite processed. So, you know, maybe I feel like if instead of so many pizzas, maybe more potatoes, more like veggies might help. I don't know.
Or even like more rice. Like rice is also still, you
Yeah.
know, good. And yeah, so let's watch one more.
What is that?
I think that's like apple sauce. Yeah.
Oh,
That
okay.
looks like applesauce. Yeah, so she's just having like applesauce with
That's actually
bananas.
lots of processed stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I mean, it does look good, but it just wouldn't be something I would break my fast with when I've just slept, you know, in the morning for breakfast.
Yeah.
And she's having some potatoes.
Some bread.
Yeah, lots of bread, lots of dry food.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
to me, that is not what, you know, the high carb, low fat message is about. Like, it's about lots of real food, lots of whole
That's true.
food.
Yeah.
And it's so awesome that she's doing the high carb thing. She's not hurting animals.
Yeah.
But I would like to see a bit more like fresh stuff. Of course, it's completely up to her, but
Yeah, there's lots of like processed stuff for sure.
yeah, and just a lot.
That's
Like
true.
to me, it seems like there's some, and I've been there too. That's why I understand
Yeah.
it so well. There's some kind of emotion inside of her, some kind of trauma
Yeah.
that she doesn't want to feel. Like that she's trying to numb down with this huge amount of food, and I understand it so well. I don't judge it. I just point it out because it's something I know very well, and so
Yeah. Yeah. So what do you think that she can do to kind of maybe slim down a little bit? Just because there's lots of potential. I feel like she can definitely be slimmer, be more toned. You would suggest just more fresh raw fruit like throughout the day,
and less meals. Like I would have
less portion.
She can still eat the same portions, but not have so many meals. Like it looks like she has 5 meals, 6 meals a day. I would go back to 3 meals, or even for a little while 2 meals. Now that her stomach volume seems to be quite big. And go like a little bit more into high water content foods. So have more melons. The banana smoothies are great, and in terms of, you know, she seems to also not want to spend so much on food. That's why she's eating these things. But if she had like a banana smoothie a day and then some fresh fruit in the morning before that smoothie and then some rice or potatoes, I would really dial in on the rice and potatoes versus all the pizza, all the bread stuff.
That's true. Yeah.
So, all the pasta. I mean, pasta is great every once in a while, but if you have it every day, you ain't gonna lose weight.
Yeah, it can be a little bit, because I was eating lots of pasta and I gained some weight.
Yeah, same.
I feel like because we don't know her background, but if she is suffering or has like a disorder eating habit, I feel like you keep doing you until you heal. But once I feel like if that's not a problem anymore, she should definitely incorporate more fresh fruit. Yeah. Lots of salt, you know.
Yeah. I think also she probably doesn't have that big of a body fat percentage. Her body fat percentage is probably pretty all right, probably. I don't know.
It looks a bit high to me.
Exactly. And that is the salt. Our body doesn't have a limit of how much salt or water from the salt it can retain. And she eats a lot of salt with her carbohydrates. That's another thing I would change. If she came to me and said, hey, Julia, the high carb thing isn't working, I'm not losing weight, what can I do? I would suggest her to potentially experiment with cutting the salt completely out for a while. And there's still amazing cooked meals you can do without salt. Like you can add a lot of celery cooked or steamed as veggie matter to your cooked meals, then it'll taste salty. Or you can make like a tomato sauce
that sounds really
without
good.
salt. I usually use tomato paste, lime, and coconut sugar. I mix that, and that's what I eat my potatoes with.
That sounds pretty good.
So so it's completely possible and doable to do this high carb thing without salt. I would cut out. I think she would get a lot leaner because it just looks like her face is quite puffy.
Yeah,
and,
it's swollen.
My face looked like that too when I was, consuming a lot of salt and overeating and just numbing my feelings down a lot.
Yeah.
Instead, coming back to a place where we actually feel them.
Yeah, yeah. But kudos to her for, no dairy, no meat. Yeah, that's great.
For sure. And I mean, it does look enjoyable what she's eating. I mean,
I know. Yeah, there's some good recipes there for
sure.
Yeah,
very creative.
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Let us know in the comments below what you think about this way of eating, and if you have any suggestions, any thoughts. And what are your final words to wrap it up?
My final words. I feel like. I think it's important to be intuitive, but you need to know. Let's say we eat fruit during the day. That's not really a restriction. I feel like it's really we're choosing what's the best for our bodies. Like you want your bodies to be the at its best, functions the best, and at its purest. Basically, I feel like this is really important. It's not like we're restricting from the bacon or the other stuff. It's just really that's what's the best for your body, and I feel like she can do a lot better, but it's a good way to start on this journey. Yeah,
for sure.
Yeah.
All right, everyone. See you in the next video. Thanks, Anna, for joining us.
Bye.
Bye.